Bald eagles, majestic birds of prey, are renowned for their size, speed, and power. With a wingspan that can exceed 7 feet, they soar to impressive heights, utilizing their keen eyesight for hunting. These raptors showcase remarkable fishing skills, often catching fish from the water's surface with precise talon strikes. Bald eagles are known for their impressive nesting habits. They construct large nests, called eyries, typically situated in tall trees near bodies of water. These eyries can reach substantial sizes, weighing several hundred pounds. Remarkably, bald eagles often return to the same nest year after year, adding new materials and expanding the structure.